Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Creating small wood furniture pieces can be a profitable venture for woodworkers looking to generate quick income. The benefits of engaging in this type of woodworking are numerous, ranging from skill development and market demand to increased creativity and business opportunities. By focusing on smaller projects, woodworkers can tap into a variety of advantages that not only enhance their craftsmanship, but also provide significant financial returns. One of the primary benefits of making small wood furniture pieces is the relatively low investment required in terms of both materials and time. Smaller projects typically necessitate fewer resources than larger furniture items, allowing woodworkers to maximize their profit margins. This lower barrier to entry makes it easier for emerging woodworkers to start their businesses without incurring significant debt or financial risk. With a modest initial investment, woodworkers can create multiple pieces in a shorter time frame, enhancing their ability to generate income quickly. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to make fast profit from home as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The speed at which small furniture pieces can be completed is another key advantage. With smaller dimensions and less complex designs, woodworkers can often finish these projects in a matter of hours or days rather than weeks or months. This rapid turnaround allows for a higher volume of production, enabling woodworkers to sell more items within a given time frame. The ability to quickly produce and sell pieces can lead to a steady stream of income, which is especially beneficial for those looking to support themselves through their craft. Moreover, the demand for small wood furniture pieces continues to grow. As urban living spaces become more compact, consumers are increasingly seeking versatile and functional furniture that can fit into smaller areas. Items such as side tables, shelving units, and stools are particularly popular among city dwellers and those with limited square footage. By creating small furniture pieces, woodworkers can cater to this growing market, providing solutions that meet the needs of modern consumers. Understanding market trends and consumer preferences can significantly enhance a woodworker's ability to sell their creations. Small furniture items also lend themselves well to customization, which can further boost profitability. Many consumers appreciate unique and personalized items that reflect their individual tastes and preferences. Woodworkers can leverage this desire for customization by offering bespoke designs or allowing customers to choose specific finishes or dimensions. By providing personalized options, woodworkers can often charge a premium for their pieces, increasing their profit margins. This approach not only adds value to the products, but also fosters stronger relationships with customers, enhancing the likelihood of repeat business. The versatility of small wood furniture pieces is another factor contributing to their profitability. These items can serve a variety of functions, making them attractive to a broad audience. For instance, a small table can be used as a bedside table, a plant stand, or an entryway accent. This multifunctionality appeals to consumers looking for practical solutions that maximize their space. By creating versatile pieces that can serve multiple purposes, woodworkers can attract a wider customer base and increase sales potential. Creating small wood furniture pieces also allows woodworkers to experiment with different styles and techniques. This creative freedom can lead to the development of unique designs that stand out in the marketplace. As woodworkers hone their skills and explore various methods, they may discover new ways to differentiate their products. This innovation can set them apart from competitors and attract discerning customers who value originality. The opportunity to experiment not only enhances the enjoyment of woodworking, but also contributes to the overall growth and evolution of a woodworker's business. In addition to honing craftsmanship, making small furniture pieces can serve as an excellent platform for marketing and branding. Woodworkers can use social media platforms, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs to showcase their work and build a brand identity. The visual nature of furniture, combined with the storytelling aspect of handcrafted items, offers a compelling narrative that can engage potential customers. High-quality photographs of small furniture pieces can be shared online, drawing attention to the craftsmanship and artistry involved. This visibility can lead to increased sales and brand recognition, ultimately contributing to long-term success. Furthermore, small wood furniture pieces can serve as entry-level products for woodworkers looking to build their portfolios. By creating a range of small items, woodworkers can showcase their versatility and skill set to potential clients. A diverse portfolio can attract a broader audience, increasing opportunities for custom work or larger projects. As customers become familiar with a woodworker's style and quality of work through small pieces, they may be more inclined to commission larger items or recommend the woodworker to others. The community aspect of woodworking also plays a significant role in the profitability of small furniture pieces. Engaging with other woodworkers, whether through local clubs, online forums, or social media groups, can provide valuable insights and support. Sharing experiences, tips, and techniques can lead to improved craftsmanship and innovative ideas. Additionally, collaborating with other artisans or participating in community events can create opportunities for cross-promotion, expanding a woodworker's reach and customer base. Creating small wood furniture pieces can also encourage a sustainable approach to woodworking. By utilizing reclaimed or locally sourced wood, woodworkers can reduce their environmental impact while also appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Many customers are increasingly prioritizing sustainability in their purchasing decisions, and offering eco-friendly products can enhance a woodworker's market appeal. This commitment to sustainability not only contributes to profitability, but also aligns with the values of a growing segment of the consumer market. Moreover, the process of making small furniture pieces can be fulfilling on a personal level. Woodworking is often described as a labor of love, and the satisfaction derived from creating something functional and beautiful can be highly rewarding. This intrinsic motivation can fuel a woodworker's passion, leading to greater creativity and innovation in their work. As woodworkers become more invested in their craft, they are likely to produce higher quality products that resonate with customers, further enhancing profitability. The ability to adapt to changing market conditions is another advantage of focusing on small furniture pieces. Unlike larger projects that may require significant time and resources, small pieces can be adjusted or reimagined based on consumer feedback or emerging trends. This flexibility allows woodworkers to stay relevant in a competitive market, ensuring that their products meet the evolving needs and desires of customers. By remaining responsive to market demands, woodworkers can maintain a steady flow of sales and establish a loyal customer base. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to make fast profit from home as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.